Stop wasting time. Discover how to stay fit, focused, and financially free with these 5 simple tips. Prioritize your physical health by scheduling at least 30 minutes of exercise 5 times a week. Mix in cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Fuel your body with a balanced diet, rich in fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. Cultivate a positive mindset with daily mindfulness, meditation, and continuous learning. Invest in yourself through books, courses, and workshops. Master time management by setting clear goals and using time blocking to balance work, exercise, and relaxation. Get on top of your finances by creating a budget, monitoring spending, and investing wisely. Diversify your investments and seek professional advice if needed. Build a support network of mentors, peers, and professionals. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family to maintain work-life balance. Incorporate these strategies to achieve a harmonious balance between physical health, mental focus, and financial freedom. Remember, consistency is key. Small changes lead to big results.